girl Nicolette's. Today I'm doing another celebrity diet and workout video. I've done Ariana Grande and I also have done Kim Kardashian. A lot of you have requested for me to do Kylie Jenner's, and that is what I'm bringing to you guys. I'm gonna do a whole day of her eating and her workout. I tried to find as much information as I can. I looked up interviews and all that stuff. These are a meal plan that she tends to enjoy. She's also trying to lose a lot of weight now that she had her baby Stormy. My question for the day is, who is your favorite celebrity? I'm curious to know who you guys fangirl over. I have to say, my top fangirl moments have to go to Channing Tatum, Chris Hemsworth, Selena Gomez, and just like so many other people. I'm a total fangirl, not gonna lie. You can follow me on my Instagram if you wanna be a part of that fam jam. I post a lot of my fitness stuff, so it's just at NicolettaXOYT. I always appreciate when you guys give me a follow. It seriously makes my day. Also, click the subscribe button before I jump into it so you guys are a part of this fam jam. We are getting so close to 800,000 of you, which blows my mind, so it would mean so much if you guys hit that subscribe button. But let's go get some brekkie. So cute. I just have my avocado. My toast is finally ready. I have my avocado, and then I also have a little bowl of chopped up chicken because she likes to add chicken onto her avocado and toast. So I'm gonna do that right now, and then after I'm gonna make a tea because a lot of you may know, you see Kylie Jenner a lot promoting green teas and teas. I thought it would be fitting to also make a green tea to start off my morning. So I just like to chop up my avocado into little slices before I put it onto my toast. It's just easier to spread it on. And then I just have some chicken. Yes. Here is the completed breakfast. So we just have our avocado and toast with chicken slices, and then I just made some green tea as well. I'm also gonna be drinking water throughout the day. This looks delicious. I'll update you guys once I'm done this. It's currently 11 a.m. and I finished my breakfast. I'm actually quite full right now. I ate the avocado and toast and I felt good, but once I finished the tea, it kind of filled me up. So I feel a little bit full right now. I'm just gonna keep doing some work, and then I'm gonna share with you guys my lunch, and then after that, I'm gonna head to the gym to do a Kylie Jenner workout. So we'll see how that goes. Hopefully I don't die, but so far so good. Update, it is currently 12:30 p.m. and I thought it would be time to make lunch now. I'm getting a little bit hungry, so I thought I would head downstairs right now, make some lunch. So for today's menu, Kylie likes to have a kale salad and a cold pressed juice. So last night I actually picked up a cold pressed juice that I could have today. I couldn't find any details on what she puts in her kale salad, so I'm just gonna put whatever I kind of find in the kitchen and eat that. So I will share with you guys what I end up putting, and I will show you my lunch once I go and make it. And for dressing, I'm just using this avocado and lime vinaigrette. It's super yummy and also really healthy, so I definitely recommend checking this out. It's just gonna make the salad taste that much better. As you can tell, this is my finished kale salad. I just have some sliced up cucumbers, tomatoes, red peppers, and I added some sliced almonds for some healthy fats. And as you guys saw, I put the avocado and lime vinaigrette to top it off. Now I'm just gonna get my cold pressed juice, and that is going to be lunch. currently have my lunch right now. Thought I'd take a first bite on camera. I'm currently working on my video. You guys know I upload every Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday, and it is currently Wednesday when I'm filming this, so I have to still finish up the finishing touches on my video and post that while I eat my lunch. So that's why we're up here. By the way, check my Wednesday video. It's all about how to lose belly fat. So if that's something you're interested in, I'll link it down below since that video will already be up by the time you guys are watching this. Kylie Jenner likes to have cold pressed juices, and I picked this up at my grocery store yesterday, and I chose the Blue Green Dream. It has cucumber, apple, lemon, and spirulina? Spirulina? I don't even know what that is. It is GMO-free, locally made, vegan. Shake and enjoy. So let's see how this tastes. I'm curious to know. It was expensive enough, so it better taste good. It's not that bad. It's really refreshing. I could definitely smell the cucumber right away. But then I also get those tinges of like lemon, spirulina, whatever that may be. It's really refreshing. It does have kind of a strong cucumber taste, but I do like the lemon taste as well. And I'm not a huge fan of kale, so I never jumped on that kale queen bandwagon. So let's see how this goes. This is probably the one meal I'm least looking forward to. That was actually not bad. I'm telling you, that dressing I showed you is so bomb. I swear, that dressing just makes every salad taste so good. Am I Kylie Jenner yet? Hashtag Kale Queen. I'm gonna go finish that and update you guys in a little bit. Update, it is 2:45 now, and your girl has been productive. I just uploaded my video, and also I finished my kale salad and my lunch. I'm still working on the drink right now because I kind of like it, so I'm kind of hair in my mouth. I'm kind of trying to drink it slowly, but the kale salad was alright. I'm not a huge fan of kale, though every time I eat kale, I feel healthy. Does that do that to you too? Hashtag Kale Queen. As you can tell as well, I changed, so I'm actually getting ready to head to the gym now to do a Kylie Jenner workout. Hey guys, I'm going to pick up my friend because my best friend is super lovely and is gonna help film my Kylie Jenner workout. But yeah, so I'm just headed over to pick her up, and then we are going to film the workout routine. Get to know Nicoletta real close. I'm currently at the gym now, and I just finished the green juice. To start off, it is said that Kylie Jenner loves to run in the Hollywood Hills, but unfortunately, your girl does not live in Hollywood. So I am just going to do my cardio on a treadmill, and I made sure to put it on a pretty high incline so that you're getting more out of it. And she typically likes to do 15 minutes of cardio, and she will do this 3 times. So in total, she will do 45 minutes of cardio. Now moving on to the workout. This is a typical workout she likes to do on Mondays and Wednesdays, and since today is Wednesday, I thought I would do this workout. It's focused on the legs, so your thighs and glutes, your biceps, back, and abs. To begin, she likes to do dumbbell squats. For most of these exercises, she does 15 reps. So I just took some dumbbells and put them in the middle and just did 15 squats. Next, I just moved on to some single leg lunges. Of course, you're going to need some sort of bench or chair so you can put your leg onto it. And all I did is I did 15 reps on each leg. And I also took 2 5-pound dumbbells to make it a little bit more difficult. Of course, you don't need to use the dumbbells. You can use without. When you do this, trust me, you're going to feel the burn so much. This next exercise is one of my favorites, and that is skater lunges. You are just going to do 15 reps. And as you can tell, a lot of the beginning workouts are really focused on the legs, in particular your glute and thighs. For this next workout, you are going to need a yoga ball, and this is the stability ball leg curls. All you're going to do is lie flat on the ground, elevate your legs up onto the ball, and you're just going to bring your legs in and then extend them fully out straight. Of course, you're just going to do 15 reps of these as well. The next exercise requires a workout machine, and this is just the cable lat pull-downs. Once again, make sure that you do 15 reps, and of course you can alter the weight according to how heavy you want it to be. Next, I am just moving on to some dumbbell rows, and for this one, you're going to make sure that you're doing 15 reps on each arm, and this is just a really good back exercise. I just use light weights for this exercise. In particular, I just use 10-pound dumbbells for each side. Now I just took a 20-pound bar and I am just doing some bicep curls. Once again, we are going to do 15 reps of this, and you can alternate the weight again according to what is best for you. It is now time for some crunches, so I got back on the ground. However, for this exercise, Kylie does 25 reps. And then she just moves into reverse crunches, which the difference with this one is you are going to lift up your legs at a 90-degree angle, and she also does 25 reps for this as well. Next, it is time to move on to some ball throws. She does this for 25 reps, and all I did is I took a weighted medicine ball and I made sure to throw it up, catch it, and repeat 25 times. I know a lot of people also like to do this by throwing it against a wall and then catching it. However, I just decided to do it this way. The next exercise she likes to do is mountain climbers, and this one was a little bit more difficult. All you're going to do is get into a plank position and you are going to kind of like kick your knees up to your chest, and she does this for 60 seconds straight. And the last exercise Kylie likes to finish off with is just a plank, and she holds this for 90 seconds straight. And this is the last workout in this circuit. However, Kylie repeats this 2 to 3 more times. I did a total of 3 rounds, 2 more rounds of that cardio that you saw at the beginning, and I did all these exercises 2 more times. For the purpose of the video, I didn't want to make this like an hour long, so I didn't show you. I just showed you the first round that I did. I was definitely breaking a sweat, and I'm definitely going to be using this for my future gym sessions. Another update. I am home from the gym now. It is almost 6 p.m. so it is time to make dinner. I have to admit that was a really good workout. I definitely recommend trying that workout because I'm exhausted and I just felt like that was a really good sweat. I'm definitely tired and I'm definitely hungry now. So I'm gonna head downstairs and show you guys her dinner, and let's go down to my kitchen and finish the last meal for the day. This is the last meal for the day. She likes asparagus, chicken, and rice, and this is a typical dinner for Kylie. It is a little bit later now, and I am still full because your girl went a little bit ham on the rice. A girl can always use some carbs. I actually love that dinner. That is a typical dinner that I usually like to have anyways, so I knew I'd like it. The only hardest meal was honestly the kale salad because the kale was just not my favorite. But other than that, I found this day pretty easy. I love the workout. It was just super good workout. I feel like I burnt a lot and I'm feeling actually good. If I do eat later on in the night, the only thing I'm gonna snack on is fruit if I get hungry a little bit later. But other than that, that concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thumbs up if you want me to keep doing videos like this, and leave that comment down below with your favorite celebrity, so maybe I will choose that person next. Also, don't forget to follow me on my socials. I have Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and Facebook. I'm just going to end this now before it becomes too late. And before I leave, click the subscribe button so you become a part of the fam jam. And if you guys go to my channel, hit the bell, it will notify you every single time I upload a video like this. But I hope you guys are having an amazing day, evening, or night whenever you're watching this, and I'll catch you guys in my next one.